All right, ready, set, go.
2, 3.
Woo!
1, 2, 3. Go backwards.
Woo! Good job. Careful, there's no net up yet. Ah, good job, Nolan. All right, Zay, you want to come show us? All right, Anna, step aside so Zay can come show us. Just let's show you your flip, okay?
Okay.
Watch for your brother.
2.
Good job.
Can I show you other things now?
One more.
One more.
I don't want this video to be too long because I want to upload it to show Grandma.
Hold on, that wasn't it.
Watch your brother.
And
Cool.
I went right back up.
All right. Good job, Nolan. All right, guys, let's go.